Hey guys, today I want to talk skincare and in particular two of my favourite products from Dermaworks that I've been using every day for about the last 3 or 4 months now. So Dermaworks is cruelty-free, vegan and very affordable, so definitely check them out if you like the look of these. First up, we've got Vitamin C Day Serum with hyaluronic acid. So this you put on, I do it as I wake up. I'm not wearing anything on my face at the moment. I've just had a shower and I've cleansed my face. Before your moisturiser, and always make sure you put sun cream on if you're using vitamin C after. So it's so easy to apply, settles in really quickly, and it's not greasy or sticky, which is great. So the overall effect of this, and this is why I love it, is that it brightens up your skin. Vitamin C is known to have antioxidant properties, which are also age-defying. So it goes around stopping all the free radicals that give you wrinkles, which also means it protects from the UV rays, from the sun, and also any air pollution. That's great. And the hyaluronic acid is known to plump and hydrate your skin. On to the next one, Spectaculash, also from Dermaworks. So you actually use this at night, but I'll show you how you apply it now. It's like eyeliner. Just put it a bit over there. Other side. So you have to actually use this for 8 weeks before you see any actual effects, but I've definitely seen them after 8 weeks. So I've been using it for 3 months now. And this has really helped me because I used to wear artificial eyelashes, so eyelash extensions, and they ruined my eyelashes, but I love them because I was filming. But this has really helped my eyelashes grow back to that normal length and restored the volume. So yeah, and they also offer you a money back guarantee if it doesn't work for you. So if you love those products, go check them out over at Dermaworks and you can use Verity in capitals for a discount code.